later, balik kami. Sige.
Peace.
In-order mo. Ano in-order mo? Basahin mo. Ano in-order mo? Magastos na araw to. Dahil order siya ng jasmine tea for mommy, tsaka winter frost for Ashley.
It's for me.
Arte match.
It's winter frost.
Brewed tea lang sa akin with 2 stevia.
Popular talaga yung stevia?
Hindi. May dala kong stevia. Dahil bawal ako ng ibang sugar.
Sabi mo.
Gaantay pa kami dun sa workshop sa kasi
3 o'clock pa.
3 o'clock pa eh. 1:30 pa lang.
Doon tayo gusto ko parang cage animals tayo.
Ano order mo? Winter.
Naglolo ko winter melon.
Ano ang lasa?
Sarap.
Ha?
Sarap.
Ano ang lasa? Hindi pa rin sarap lang. Green tea? Ano?
Parang may milk.
Oo. Cream cheese raw yan.
Cream cheese.
Sa akin ito. Brewed tea. Jasmine. Green tea. Kasi yun lang. Tapos, imbis yung sugar nila, yun nga, nagbigay ako ng stevia. Oo, may dala-dala ako lagi. Para pag-order ako. Diba? Ngayon ka lang. Dapat daw. Anong sabi mo kanina? Dapat.
Mini-mix.
Para.
Ano sarap?
Nag-ibang lasa.
Lasang cream cheese.
Cream cheese na lahat.
Ano to? Yellow ba to? Jelly?
Yellow. 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 Round yun.
Lasang nasa cupcake?
Sa akin walang lasa. Ewan ko, nalagyan ko naman ng stevia. Sana nagdala na lang ako ng chocolate. Mas masarap pa yung mix-mix ko. Na merong cayenne pepper, cinnamon. Ito jasmine talaga, lasa. Ano yun na? Sa pangit. Yak!
Ikaw na nga!
Ganda.
Tapos tayo?
Nasa ano kami, Shangri-La Plaza. Ganda ng place ng Serenity dito. Yun ang county nung diba? Atin ako ng makeup workshop course, pero wala ko na. Hindi pa lang pumapaya. Maraming cheaters. Cheat days dahil.
Lagay mo doon.
So, paintay lang kami. I'll combine this with Chevy's makeup workshop yesterday. Para medyo so, yun lang.
May battery.
So, nandito na kami shoot. Sayang wala sila papi kasi alam ko na sa Rockwell silang dalawa nila. Dito kami siya. Hindi kami nagkatagpo pa. Nandito na yung iba. Still waiting until Marita to start. So, I'll show you some clips of the makeup workshop later. With my dalagitang buwet.
And the first thing we want to do is to have fun with colors. So our launch this June actually is our drawing pencil where we have 21 shades. We also have a lot of eyeshadows and new mascara to offer this month. It's very new. For today, we'll start with talking about Mr. Shuwamura himself. Actually, Mr. Shuwamura is our legendary makeup artist. He had a lot of philosophies about makeup, and one of them is that with makeup, there are no rules, no restrictions. You know that most of us, we use makeup every day, but most of the time it's natural makeup. But we also want to have fun with makeup. Sometimes we want to make it long wearing, and it sticks to the face long. Who wears makeup every day here? Does everyone wear makeup? How about eyeliner? Does everyone here wear eyeliner?
Yeah.
Yes. That's great. What colors do you usually use for your eyes?
Black.
When you put your eyeliner, what you can do is, of course, you have to be near a mirror. It's really different when you look yourself from afar sa salamin, unlike if it's near. So it's important na malapit siya. So you pull your eyes sideward from the inner part, then going outside. So it's that easy. But with our new drawing pencil, since it's waterproof and long wearing, you have to blend it right away. So this is not just an eyeliner. You can even use this as an eyeshadow. Like what I did with my eyes, I have a metallic purple and then my liner is dark blue. So with the metallic purple, I blend it right away. So for example, it's really, sometimes really you find it hard to line and it's not straight. So what you can do is, you can reapply it. Make sure to reapply it right away before it it dries up. So there. Like for example, parang lumampas talaga yung gawa nyo. You can use a brush, an eyeliner brush, to blend it. Blending a liner can actually make it softer. Kung ayaw nyo parang bigla kayong, parang shocks on dark. So you can blend it right away.
Sultry.
To make it softer. So it has an effect of an eyeshadow na hindi masyadong dark yung effect. Using a pencil, a drawing pencil, kasi there's many types of eyeliner na. Di ba? May pencil type, may gel type, and then may mga liquid eyeliner. So, if you're not used to using the gel type or liquid type, practicing first with the pencil is the easiest way. For example, if you're just a starter, you wear liner at all. So, mag-start kayo talaga sa pencil kasi siya yung pang-practice nyo eh. And it's actually nice if you like draw them, practice kayo sa paper, para pagdating sa inyo, it actually helps. Kasi parang nasasanay na yung kamay nyo eh, na gumagalaw. That. So let's say this is her natural look. I wanted parang, let's say, I wanted to play more with the colors. So, I want to use green. Parang green is actually a scary.
Sa last lash line sa baba, lower lash.
And then, when you blend your eyeshadow, kasi sometimes, di ba parang lumalampas siya, abot na siya sa eyebrows. When you touch your eyes, yung socket, dapat hindi na siya abot doon. Parang pa-blend na siya.
Okay.
Always remember, it's gonna be your parang end line to where you put your eyeshadow. Ganun sa lahat ng type ng eyes. Kahit na sabi mo magkalapit, parang careful kayo sa paglagay ng shadow. Make sure it's blended going upwards. Kasi when it touches the eyebrows, parang it's gonna look nice already.
Yes.
Okay? Because not everyone has a lid. They said parang hanggang lid lang yung eyeshadow, di ba? Pero since it's called an eyeshadow, it's supposed to look like an eyeshadow. Because when you put a shadow, open eyes please. Like for example, yung liner dyan lang, parang naglagay lang kayo ng kapal na liner. So, kailangan naka-blend siya palagi. Any makeup, any color, basta blended siya, whether it's an eyeshadow or blush, it's gonna look nice. Hindi siya yung mga mukhang sinuntok, di ba? Yung mga buo-buo. Sige, wait.
I'm sorry.
Yes?
Let's say, for example, you have really oily eyelids.
From afar, how does the blue look like?
Black.
From the back. How does it look like? Does it look black or blue?
Black.
Black. See? But when you look closer to her, that's the only time you can see the color. So with our colors, like for example, even the green one or the purple one, the purple black, you won't be scared of using it because it's still gonna appear like it's black. Pero pag lumapit na sa'yo, oh, ano pala siya? So for example, if you use smoky black, pag naglagay kayo ng highlight sa inner corner, it makes it softer para hindi kayo magmukhang nakakatakot. Ganyan kasi this one?
Yeah.
The gold? Yes.
Yeah.
If you want the natural look, this shade is actually very light unless you look closely. Parang from afar, it will look like your eyes is just glowing. Pero pag nilapitan, doon na nakikita na parang may small particle siya. Like for example, if I wanted to use on her brow bone, which you also put your highlight, for the gold. Yes, for the gold. But we also have silver for the metallic colors.
Ay, nako, na-excite na yung isa. Ayun, nandun, oo. Na-excite kasi nakakita naman skating rink. Ayun.
Very good.
Ano nangyari? Gusto ni Ashley mag-skating.
Ha!
Hindi ngayon.
Don't diss me.
Ayan po yung skating rink nila. Ang ganda ng skating rink ngayon ng SM. Yan, alis na kami. Okay na yan. Sorry po. Saan ka na?